Thank you as always, ladies and gentlemen, for your patience. All right, on behalf of Mr. Pardon.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Good morning. Mr. O'Brien, Ms. Rouch, Mrs. Van co-counsel. First of all, I'd like to thank each and every one of you. I want to thank you for your service. I want to thank you for your verdict, and I want to let you know that we respect your verdict. I want to make sure that that is clear with you. We do respect your verdict. As Mr. O'Brien somewhat talked about, you already have all of the aggravating circumstances. And the aggravating circumstances are 5 specifications. You got a new one today, which is the prior offense that Mr. Pardon pled guilty to. You've got that. No more. You're not going to get anything else. Okay? That being said, what you are going to hear, and let's be clear, the murder itself is not an aggravating circumstance. It is not. He's already going to be punished for that. So what you're going to get is
The light, maybe turn the light on.
ah, it was a snake, it would have bit me. Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to hear from several witnesses in this second phase. And first of all, you're going to hear from one of Mr. Pardon's elementary school teachers. And what she's going to tell you is, she's going to tell you that she remembers Anthony as a child. And she's going to tell you how things could have been different. That's a mitigating factor. You're going to hear from several of Anthony's family members, his mom, his sister, his cousin, his brother, and they're going to tell you about the life they lived. They're going to tell you what it was like in their household. And what they're going to tell you is, you've got an aggravating circumstance that tells you about this 17-year-old Anthony Pardon that you see. They're going to tell you what happened from birth to that 17-year-old Anthony Pardon that you see going into adult prison. They're going to and then you're going to hear from Dr. Stinson. And he's going to tell you about this 16-year-old Anthony Pardon going into an adult prison at 16. And not just any adult prison, the worst prison in Ohio, Lucasville. And he's going to tell you that that 16-year-old stayed in prison until he was 41 years old. And then you're going to hear that 41-year-old came out of prison. No programs, no guidance, nothing. And that 41-year-old was out of prison for less than a year and goes back in prison and stays from the age of approximately 42 until he was 52. So you're going to hear that this man, from an abused, dysfunctional, chaotic childhood, went from that dysfunction at 16 and spent the rest of his life in prison. And Dr. Stinson is going to explain a lot of the hows and whys. One of the whys and one of the hows is going to be how this man's choices were made for him from birth. The mitigating factors far outweigh the aggravating circumstances. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Dixon.